guys, we are getting ready to make a recycled fish. And so you're gonna need to get in your kit and you're gonna need to find your cardboard pieces. You should have a total of 4 of those. This is the fish body, this is the fish tail, and then these are the fish fins that you will attach. That one's upside down. In just a little bit, you should have 2 of those, okay? The next thing you're gonna need is, in your kit, you have the strips of colorful paper that look like this, and then you should have some Mod Podge. You are going to need to put a tablecloth or something down. I would make sure it's not made of paper, like paper towels, because the paper towels will stick to the Mod Podge. If you're married, take off your wedding ring. You don't wanna get Mod Podge all in your ring. I would also suggest if you wear like a Fitbit or I got cut off by a phone call. I was just saying if you have a Fitbit or something like that, take it off. You also want to wear an apron because this is gonna be messy. So start with your Mod Podge and just have it open nearby, and we're gonna start with the fish's body. I am gonna take my strips and I am going to Mod Podge them to the fish's body. I'm gonna take a finger, I'm sticking it in the glue, which is what Mod Podge is, it's glue, like that, and then I'm gonna lay the strip down. Once I lay the strip down, I'm gonna put glue over the top of it. I'm gonna grab a different strip of paper, more Mod Podge down. I can overlap it, or I can just lay them right next to each other. So I'm putting the next one on. I'm getting a new strip. Let's see what I want to use. I think I'll use this. Nope, that's too small. You should have some I'll use this black one, some longer and shorter ones. But it's going to be glue, strip, and then more glue. So go ahead and work until you cover your entire fish with the strips of paper. You can make a pattern, or you can just go and make it colorful. All right, we'll be back in a little bit to add the next part. Okay, I have all of my, well, that one fell off. I have all of my strips on. You might notice they definitely hang over the edge, and that is fine. We're gonna work on that in just a minute. This one is not wanting to stay on. So you can see how I did my patterns. I am going to make sure I use my finger and I push down and put glue all over the top. Then I need to set this aside. Don't stick it in a pile of glue. Set it someplace and let it dry. So it probably needs to dry, I don't know, at least 30 minutes. You can go ahead and start on the tail. Do the exact same thing with the tail. Put your glue on, grab a strip. You're gonna line them up all the way to the edge. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing to your fins. So you're gonna have all 4 pieces of cardboard covered with your scrapbook paper and your Mod Podge, okay? We'll be back to do the next step.